I think a big like we see two things. We see from the users a bit of doubt. So you need to build trust. You need to introduce something that they don't understand yet. They don't have it yet applied. So you need to show them consistently results, and discuss it with them and educate them how it works and explain why this model did this, why this model did that. And if the organization is open to that and open to understand how this new black box works, we have great results. On the contrary, if you have this resistance and like you introduce a new process and the end user does not know where those numbers are coming from and have a inherent distrust, and it's not out of fear of AI, it's just simply it's a new system. I don't know it. Why should I trust these numbers? And if they don't go through the steps of understanding and adopting and knowing that this is a new tool that we have to build knowledge of how it works, then we face a high resistance. The second thing is understanding that AI is not only used in, like, once you bring AI in forecasting, you should not think about the only use case that you have right now. You should think of all the other time series you have in your organization where you can optimize it by 1, 2, 3%, or even 20%. Don't think only about sales. Sales is always our entrance. This is the first thing. Everyone wants to predict how much money they can make. Understandable, very important, reflects directly on the bottom line. But think about your logistics. Think about your inventory. Think about your purchasing. Think about your production. If you can control the planning of every one of those steps, the efficiencies add up. So go with the holistic approach. Go with the understanding that if you don't do this, if you don't move and get those very small optimization steps or even big optimization steps, someone else would.